Welcome to our roundup of the best camping chairs of 2026. Essential gear for anyone who loves the outdoors, whether you're heading out for a weekend of camping, tailgating at the big game, lounging around the fire pit, or chilling at the beach. A great camping chair combines comfort, durability, portability, and stability so you can relax in style wherever your adventures take you. We've handpicked some of the best options available today, highlighting features like weight capacity, pack-down size, materials, ease of setup, and overall value. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal camping chair for your next outdoor escape. Starting off with the Red Camp 2-pack tripod camping chairs. This set is perfect for campers, tailgaters, or backyard hangouts who want comfort for two without the premium price tag. These tripod chairs are designed with sturdy steel frames and breathable fabric that make them both durable and comfortable. The lightweight design makes them easy to carry and set up. Simply unfold, and you're ready to relax. Users appreciate having two matching chairs in one package, especially for couples, friends, or families who want coordinated gear. While tripod chairs may not offer the same level of plush padding as some larger models, they strike an excellent balance of comfort, portability, and affordability. If you're looking for reliable dual seating without fuss, the Red Camp 2-pack tripod camping chairs deliver solid value and everyday comfort. Next up is the Nazura 2-pack outdoor camping chairs, another great option for duo setups and outdoor gatherings. These chairs typically feature rugged construction and wide seats that balance stability with comfort, making them suitable for concert lawns, picnics, or fire pit hangouts. They often include convenient extras like cup holders, built-in storage pockets, or integrated carry bags. Little touches that make your outdoor experience more enjoyable and organized. Users often praise how easy they are to set up and how well they hold up over repeated use. While the chairs are roomy and sturdy, they still fold down compactly for transport and storage. For anyone who wants outdoor seating that feels a bit more substantial without being heavy or cumbersome, the Nazura 2-pack outdoor camping chairs are a dependable and practical choice. Coming in next is the Naturehike YL08 Ultralight Camping Chair, a standout choice for backpackers and minimalists who prioritize pack weight and portability. This chair is built with lightweight yet durable materials like aluminum framing and high-strength fabric, giving you respectable comfort without bogging down your gear load. Its ultralight design makes it easy to stash in a backpack or day pack, while the simple setup means you're ready to sit and enjoy the view in seconds. Users who've taken this chair on hikes and camping trips appreciate how it balances weight and comfort. It won't replace full-size folding chairs for long lounging sessions, but for trekking or festival use, it's an absolute game changer. If you want comfortable seating that doesn't weigh you down, the Naturehike YL08 Ultralight Camping Chair is worth a close look. Stepping into a more performance-oriented option, the Tigris Tigerblade Camping Chair brings a blend of rugged versatility and comfort for serious outdoor lovers. Designed with robust materials and a stable frame, this chair can handle heavier users and rougher terrain while still being surprisingly portable. Its low-profile seating and wide base give users a stable, comfortable place to relax, whether they're at a campsite, on a beach, or around a bonfire. Many users highlight how this chair feels supportive even during longer sitting periods, ideal for fishers, campers, or anyone who likes lingering in nature. While slightly heavier than ultralight models, the Tigris Tigerblade camping chair delivers on durability and comfort without sacrificing too much portability, making it a strong choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want dependable seating that's ready for more rugged adventures. Taking the top spot as our best overall camping chair this year is the Coleman Portable Camping Chair, a classic favorite among campers and outdoor lovers. Coleman has long been a trusted brand in outdoor gear, and this chair reflects that legacy with a well-rounded design that appeals to nearly any user. It typically features a sturdy steel frame, comfortable seat and backrest, and built-in cup holder, so you can keep drinks or snacks within easy reach. Its balance of comfort, durability, and ease of use makes it ideal for camping, backyard BBQs, beach days, sports events, and more. Users consistently praise how the chair feels comfortable even during extended use, and how it folds down smoothly for transport and storage. While it's not the lightest chair on the list, it provides a perfect blend of comfort, strength, and portability that earns it the top spot. All of these camping chairs serve different outdoor lifestyles and priorities. The Red Camp 2-pack tripod camping chairs and Nazura 2-pack outdoor camping chairs are excellent for families, couples, or group outings, while the Nature Hike YL08 ultralight camping chair is ideal for backpackers and minimalist adventurers. The Wanna Tigris Tiger Blade camping chair brings rugged strength for more demanding terrain, and the Coleman portable camping chair delivers the most comfortable, versatile all-around experience for everyday outdoor relaxation. That wraps up our list of the best camping chairs of 2026, from lightweight packs to sturdy all-rounders. Whatever your outdoor plans look like this year, there's a perfect seat waiting for you. Let us know in the comments which camping chair you'd choose, or if you already own one of these favorites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more outdoor gear reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for current deals and grab the best camping chair for your next adventure today.